Hello ClickDesigns affiliates, Diane here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and grab your affiliate links from GrooveSell or the Groove.cm platform. The first thing that you need is a Groove.cm account. Log in there and then go to the dashboard. Right after that, click on this icon right here. That is the GrooveSell icon. It will bring you to this dashboard. Hover over to the left and click this icon right here called Marketplace. Then you will see the ClickDesigns offer on the right side. Click on this link icon right here. On this window, you can get your affiliate link. So under Product Index page, copy the URL, which is for ClickDesigns Commercial. ClickDesigns Commercial is the front-end offer, so that's where you would like to send your traffic and get started. After copying your affiliate link, you can now use it and paste this link on your emails, blog posts, YouTube video descriptions, ad campaigns, and promos to earn commissions from ClickDesigns. Don't forget to check out all our done-for-you affiliate tools and use them for your promotion. That's how easy it is to get started as a ClickDesigns affiliate.